Today's pen is from Leather Lathe. This is another one that I acquired at the Orlando Pen Show this year. This is their Sterling model. The blank used is called Lagoon Nebula. It's got lots of pretty colors in it. And this blank is from Hobble Creek Craftsman. One of the things I really found interesting about this pen that made me pick it up is the use of facets in the cap and down here at the bottom of the body. You don't see a lot of pens that are faceted like that. So it was kind of a unique touch. Also, there's kind of some fun curvature to the body, which for me is nice because I tend to grip my pens a little higher than most, not as far down on the section. So it's a nice little rest for me. You see that my pen is inking a bit, leaking a bit of ink, so I will have to clean that up. That is more my fault than the pen's. I probably just have a tendency to over ink a little bit when I'm setting them up, and also not fully wiping them off. It's a little fast, but this has a medium nib in it. Very pretty black nib, and the ink that I have chosen for this pen is, and it rolls off, is Octopus Fluids Mermaid. This is a sheening ink that is teal with a pink sheen. You grab my swatch sheet and show you what that looks like. I can find it on here. Where are you? Right here, the last page. There we go. So you can see the sheen